Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all will be fine. Today we solve real life problems involving square root. So we have example 1225 students stand in rows in such a way that the number of the rows is equal to the number of the students in row. How many students are there in each row? So since the number of the students in a row is the same as the number of the rows, square root is 1225 will be found. So according to the division method, firstly we make pair. There are the two pairs and we get value 3. 3 multiplied by 3 as well as quotient and divisor. So 3 3s are 9. Subtract 9 from 12 and we get 3. Now bring down the pair which is 25 and the value becomes 325. So double the value which is 6 now. Take another digit with 6. We get 5. So 65 multiplied by 5 which is equal to 325. So 35 is the square root of 1225. It means that the number of the students in each row is 35. The next example we have a rectangular field has an area of 18,432 square meters. Its width is half as long as its length. Find the perimeter. So since the width of the field is half as long as its length, this rectangle can be divided into two square regions. So we divided with 2. So the answer is 9216. To find the length of its side, to find the length of its sides, we will find the square root of the 9216. So according to the division method, firstly we make pairs and then we take a value 9 multiplied by 9 which is equal to 81. So subtract 81 from 92, we get 11. So bring down the pair which is 16, the value becomes 1116. So double the value 9 which is 18 now and then take another digit with 18. We take 6 as well as quotient and divisor. 186 multiplied by 6 equals to 1116. So 96 is a square root of 9216. It means that the length of the rectangle is 96 multiplied by 2 which is equal to 192 meters, and the perimeter which is equal to 2, length plus width equals to 2 multiplied by 288 which is equal to 576. Another example we have, find the least number which when subtracted from 58,780 the answer is complete square. So to find the width which is subtract from the given number, we find the square root of the 58,780 and the remainder will be required number. So according to the division method, we make pairs and then we take a value 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. Subtracted 4 from 5 and we get 1. Bring down the pair, value becomes 187. Double the value 2 which is 4 now and take another digit with 4. 44 multiplied by 4. The answer is 176. So subtract 176 from 187. We get 11. Now bring down another pair 80. The value becomes 1180. Then double the value 4 which is 8 now. 48 we have. Take another digit with 48. So 482 multiplied by 2. 2 is a quotient as well as divisor. So 482 multiplied by 2. We get 964 and the answer is 216. This is the remainder we have. So given number minus remainder, given number is 58,780 and the remainder we have 216. So 216 which is equals to 58,564. So 216 is subtracted from 58,780. The remaining number 58,564 will be the complete square. Now we start exercise 2.8. Question number 1. The area of the square field is 14,400 square meter. Find the length of the side of a square. We know that the length and the width of the square is same. So since the length and width of the square is same, square root of a 14,400 will be taken. According to the division method, we make pair and then we take a value 1 as quotient and divisor. So 1 ones are 1, subtract 1 from 1, we get 0. Now bring down the pair, which is 44, double the value, which is 2 now, and take another digit with 2, value becomes 22. So 22 multiplied by 2, we get 44, and there is no remainder here. So the answer is 120. Thus the length of the side of a square is 120 meter. The second question is the area of a square field is 4,22,500 square meter. How much string is required for the fixing the side as a fence? So since the length and width of a square is same, so square root of 4,22,500 will be found. According to the division method, we make pair and then we take value 6 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 36. So subtract 36 from 42 and we get 6. Now bring down the pair, which is 25. So value becomes 625. Double the value 6, which is 12 now, and take another digit with 12. We take 5 as well as quotient and divisor, multiply 125 with 5 and we get 625. So the length of the side of a square is 650. Hence the string for fixing the side 4 multiplied by side, which is equal to 650, and we have a value of 2600 meter. Question number 3. A gardener wants to plant
1,22,500
trees in his field in such a way that the number of the trees in a row is equal to the number of the rows. How many trees will be planted in each row? So since the number of the trees in a row is equal to the number of rows, square root of
1,22,500
will be found. So according to the division method, we make pair and then we take a value 3. 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. So subtract 9 from 12, we get 3. Bring down the pair, which is 25, value becomes 325. Now double the value 3, which is 6 now, and take another digit with 6 as well as quotient and divisor. 65 multiplied by 5 equals to 325. So 350 is the square root. The number of the trees will be planted in each row are 350. The next question. The area of a rectangular field is 10,092 square meter. Its length is 3 times long as its width. Find its perimeter. Let width of a rectangular field is equal to x, then length of a rectangular field 3x according to the question. So according to formula, area of a rectangular field is equal to length multiplied by width. So by putting the value of length and width, the length is 3x and the width is x. So multiply the both values and we get 3x square. Now 3 is divided in the other side. So we divide 10,092 with 3 and the answer is 3,364. So by taking under root, now according to the division method, firstly we make pair and we take 5. 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. So subtract 25 from 33 and the answer is 8. Now bring down the pair 64 and value becomes 864. double the value 5 which is 10 and take another digit with 10. So we take 8 as well as quotient and divisor. 108 multiplied by 8, the answer is 864. It means that 58 is a square root of 3364. According to the question, the width is 58 and the length is 3 times. So 58 multiplied by 3 equals to 174. And according to the formula of perimeter, 2 multiply length plus width. So length is 174 and width is 58. So we add these values, which is equal to 232, and now multiply 232 with 2, 464, and the perimeter of a rectangle is 464. The next question, the area of a circular region is 616 square decimeter. Find its radius. So phi is equal to 22 by 7. Now area of a circular region is equal to 616 decimeter square. According to the formula, area of a circular region is pi r square. So we have a area of a square and the pi is equal to 22 by 7. So by putting the value of both area and pi, now value multiply here, and when we take another side, 7 is multiply here and 22 is divide. So by cutting the value, we get 196 equals to r square, and then by taking square root, so according to the division method, firstly we make pair and then take value 1 ones are 1, subtract 1 from 1 and we get 0. Now bring down the pair 96, double the value which is 2, and then take another digit with 2. We take 4 as well as quotient and divisor. 24 multiplied by 4, we get 96. So the radius of a circular region is 4 decimeter. The next question is, a rectangular field has an area 28,800 square meter. Its length is twice as long as its width. What is the length of its sides? So since the length is twice, so according to the question, suppose the width is x and the length is 2x. According to the formula, area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width. So 28,800 area we have and length is 2x and width is x. Multiply the both value, we get 2x square. Now 2 is multiply here and on the other side 2 divide. So by cutting we get 14,400 equals to x square. So by taking square root of both sides, firstly we make pair. There are the 3 pairs and we take value 1 ones are 1, subtract 1 from 1, we get 0. Now bring down the pair 44. So we have value 44. Now double the value 1 which is 2 and take another digit with 2. Take another digit with 2. We take 2 as well as quotient and divisor. 22 multiplied by 2 equals to 44. So the zeros in pair we have place as quotient. So 120 is a answer, and length we suppose is equal to x, so length is 120 and width is 2x, so multiply 2 with x which is 120 and we get 240 which is the width. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.